Good day, hobbies, and welcome back to another episode of our three-part DIY windowed pond from scratch, which will feature stand and filtration. This part is fundamental of our project that plays an important role that every DIY hobbyist who want to do this project. Since the metal coat is still intact to hold the viewing panel, we don't want it to sit and get wet anytime we do water changes. We will maximize customizing of this indoor pond. Let's start by making the stand. Is it necessary? As I stated earlier, we don't want our metal coated pond to get wet every water changes. Since it will sit on the ground for a very long time, moist will surely rust the coat and will weaken the viewing panel foundation. I just used some old 1x10 angle bar from the previous tanks to make this stand. This is enough to elevate the pond 5 inches from the ground. Now for the paint job. I used epoxy grade primer paint to protect this metal stand from rust and corrosion. So why not use it to coat the pond rather than creating a stand? Even so, we do that. Moist will penetrate and will corrode the inside of the metal sheet. So doing this practice will prevent this pond from rust for a very long time. Plus polishing the paint works best when sprayed above epoxy primer. I'm gonna build a 5-gallon L-shaped tank to house 7 to 10 kilos of pumice rocks for biological filtration. So why L-shape? This will be placed at the corner to add a nicer look to our pond, and I said earlier, to maximize customization. DIY nano tank is really fun to make, and we're gonna feature that on our future videos. Just some used glass for our filter tank, and boom! Getting ready. Be sure to fully cure the silicone before getting them wet. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment your thoughts about our project. Thanks for watching and see you next time.